New Regulation 437C states that all experiments must be conducted in laboratories, not lavatories.
You say potato, I say tomato.
You say pomato?
Yeah.
I have never heard you say pomato.
I say it all the time. Like, just this morning I said, hello, Susan. Have a pomato day.
That's true, he did.
General, about this hasty lavatory
It's
restriction.
a dog-eat-dog world out there, boys, and I'm the alpha dog. Now, unless anyone's got anything else to say, meeting is adjourned.
Sir, permission to share some of my Earth Studies findings.
This is going to be another lecture on ground slugs, is it?
I gotta be honest, after 4 hours, you started to lose me.
Your lack of attention does not invalidate the science. However, today I'd like to talk about puppies.
Puppies?
I like puppies. Owning a pet is a crucial part of the Earth experience. Therefore, I would like to requisition one adorable puppy.
No.
But, General, it's for my research.
No. Meeting adjourned.
Boo-hoo for you, Squeep. Guess now your Earth studies can include a lesson in disappointment.
Dude, it's harsh.
Most unfortunate.
What are we gonna name the puppy?
Oh, Squeep, are you all right? This is to be expected. According to my research, the traditional first response to a request for a pet is no.
Commencing Phase 2.
Persistent pestering. Please, may I have a puppy?
No.
Please, may I have a puppy? Please, a puppy. Let me have a puppy, please.
No.
Please let me have a puppy. I want a puppy. Give me a puppy. Give me a puppy. Give me a puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. Please, may I have a puppy?
I respect your stick-to-itiveness, Squeep, but I've been through the pet thing with my nieces and nephews who I may or may not have. They always promise to take care of it, but who ends up on duty? Me! The answer remains no. Give me a break. I've interrogated enough crybabies to know the real thing from a faker.
Isn't crying the next step in the pet obtaining ritual?
Normally, yes, but this decision isn't even up to me. Regulation 242D says, no pets on base.
Don't you write the regulations?
What you doing?
To get the full experience for my Earth studies, I am moping.
So, still a no-go on the puppy front, huh? Maybe I can help. What do you like about puppies?
Well, puppies are playful.
I'm playful.
Puppies are also cuddly.
I'm cuddly.
Puppies are the juvenile stage of the Canis lupus familiaris life cycle.
I'm cuddly. Wait a minute. I could be your pet.
Sufficiently plausible. Bob, you may have found a solution to my puppy project problem.
You are housebroken, right?
General, we're looking for authenticity here.
Please?
There is no possible way I will not regret this, is there?
No!
Let us begin by exploring the normal owner-pet dynamic.
What is it about being dog-shaped that makes me want to bite my own butt?
Please focus. Ready? Speak, boy, speak.
When in the course of human events, it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands which have lingered with us for...
No, Bob. Like a dog. You know, barking and such.
Oh, right. Bark! Bark! Or in German, arf! Arf!
Let's try fetch. You are supposed to retrieve the ball.
Oh. Here you go! Bark! Bark!
A real dog uses its mouth.
Really? Okay.
Bob, after careful consideration, I determined that you are a terrible dog.
That because of the accident in the hallway?
Bam!
That was the only thing you did that actually was like a dog.
Right, because I wouldn't have done that otherwise.
I don't think this study can continue successfully on its current course.
Well, maybe I'd have better luck as a cat. No!
I have one last thing to try. Blasting you with a ray that will give you K9 brainwaves.
But I don't have a brain.
An obvious oversight. I hope there were no unintended consequences. Perhaps this is just an isolated incident.
Well, everything looks normal. Okay, I'm beginning to think something is wrong. Susan would never chew on a shoe before lunch.
I think it's time we inform the General?
He got hit too, right?
Correct.
Because with him, it's hard to tell.
This chamber will reverse the effects of the dog brain blast.
Sweet! But how do we get all the dog brains in there?
This is the challenge. We will need to lure them in.
We could use this.
That should work very well. Just one question. Why do you have a pork chop?
What? You don't always carry meat with you? Looky what I got! Oh, good dog! Come
I believe that just leaves. He is a very angry dog.
Don't worry! I got this! Open it! On second thought, maybe I don't. No, boys! That's not the ball! This is the ball!
We have to catch him.
I can see where he's going! He's running down a pig tunnel! It's got like a dangly thing, like at the back of a throat.
Bob, we must be looking down his esophagus. Turn around.
All right. Okay, he just ran into a room. I see weapons. Lots and lots of weapons.
Oh no, he must be in the armory.
Hey, he dropped my eye. Oh, now he's after something else. Looks like a grenade.
If that grenade goes off, it'll start a chain reaction that could level the whole base.
Oh, man. Then General Monger would be really steamed.
Actually, General Monger would be...
Oh, right. Still a dog.
Bob, try acting like a cat again.
How's this? Moo!
Good! Except, I believe it's meow.
If you say so. Meow! Meow! Oh, I think it's working. Meow! Meow! I'm a cat. Ah! Yes! Meow! Meow! Uh-oh! Don't know the passcode. Hey, General! It's just me, Bob. I'm not really a cat.
Bob, it is hopeless. As General Monger stated, he is clearly the alpha dog.
Oh, yeah? Well, I am the hot dog, the chili cheese dog with lots of onions and extra jalapenos. That's right. I am in Fuego.
You know, Bob, it really is a dog-eat-dog world.
Squeak!
You'll be happy to know, General Monger, that I've just completed my puppy project. It turns out, Bob was a good dog.
Ugh!
Was I sniffing your butt?
Let us never speak of this again. We did turn everyone back to normal, right?